Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're keeping a close eye on the cryptocurrency market, you're in the right place. Today is November 23, 2024, and we're diving into the major moves we saw in the crypto space today and what you can expect heading into tomorrow, November 24th. Buckle up because there's a lot to unpack, whether you're a long-term investor, a day trader, or just crypto curious. Alright, let's start with today's numbers. Bitcoin is holding strong at $37,800, up about 1.4% over the last 24 hours. This comes after a volatile week, but today's trading has shown some stability. Ethereum followed suit, rising slightly to $2,040. The big story: Solana. It surged nearly 8%, breaking through the $60 mark. Many traders are pointing to increasing adoption in DeFi projects as the driving force. On the other hand, XRP and Dogecoin had a quieter day. Both coins traded sideways, which could be a sign of consolidation before their next move. And one surprise on the board: Chainlink. It gained over 5% today, fueled by whispers about new staking upgrades coming soon. So, what's moving these prices? Let's break it down. Macroeconomic updates. With interest rate uncertainty looming in the US, crypto markets are reacting to every piece of Federal Reserve news. Today's lack of any major economic announcements gave traders a breather. Regulatory developments. Over in Europe, the EU announced a new round of discussions on crypto taxation frameworks. While nothing concrete has been decided yet, markets are cautiously optimistic about the direction. Institutional activity. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been a hot topic. No approval yet, but the growing anticipation is keeping Bitcoin buyers on their toes. Now let's take a look at the charts because the numbers don't lie. Starting with Bitcoin, we're seeing strong support at $36,500. If it holds above $38,000 tomorrow, it could pave the way for a rally toward $40,000 in the coming week. However, if it dips below today's range, $36,000 could act as the next major floor. Ethereum's chart looks slightly different. It's battling resistance at $2,050. A break above this level could see it testing $2,100 by midweek. But be cautious: if it drops below $2,000, it could trigger a pullback to $1,950. Now, let's talk about altcoins worth keeping on your radar for tomorrow. Solana, SOL. With today's 8% jump, all eyes are on whether it can sustain the momentum. Watch for resistance around $62. Avalanche, AVAX. After a quiet week, AVAX is showing early signs of bullish movement. $12.50 is the key level to watch. Polygon, MATIC. It's been consolidating for days, but any breakout above 70 cents could ignite a fresh rally. Looking ahead to tomorrow, November 24th, here's what you should prepare for. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Expect more sideways trading unless there's unexpected news from the macroeconomic side. Volatility alert. With Sunday often being a quieter day for traditional markets, crypto can get unpredictable. Be cautious with leverage if you're trading futures. Emerging news. Keep an eye on updates from Asia. Crypto markets tend to react strongly to news coming out of this region over the weekend. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to navigate the market. Stick to your plan. Whether you're hodling or trading, don't let FOMO dictate your decisions. Manage risk. Use stop losses and avoid over-leveraging. It's better to miss an opportunity than to lose big. Stay informed. The crypto world moves fast. Follow reliable sources and keep up with regulatory updates.